Hello, you're in good hands. We're gonna take care of you. Welcome back to the Chicago Auto Pros channel. We have a cool, unique car with an awesome service. We're doing a S2000 with our exterior enhancement in Crystal Serum Light. It's a 3 to 5 year ceramic coating. This is a super quick, easy job to do for us as service providers, and for the customer, it is a tremendous amount of value. Let's get it started. Come on, we gotta prep the car first. We're gonna start with the wheels, the paint, and we're gonna make this thing perfectly pure. We're gonna decontaminate it in case there's any tar. I can actually feel the paint, and there's a little bit of roughness. We're gonna take that away. We're gonna polish it and ceramic coat it, and it's pretty easy. Let's do it. Hello, you're in good hands. We're gonna take care of you. I love doing these services because it's a 1 day in and out service. You're not spending 3 or 4 days correcting it, trying to make it absolutely perfect. You're just taking it, you know, from what it is. I can see there's a bunch of swirls and some water spots and everything. I mean, just a 2-step polish is gonna make this thing look so much better, so much shinier. So there's a buildup of like baked on brake dust. You can see it over here. You can almost feel it too. It's just like the little particles from the rotor that have baked onto the actual wheel itself. I'm gonna hit that a couple times with the iron remover and dissolve all that. And I'm also using the clay mitt here. So your wheel is just like the paint. It's you know, a painted wheel with a clear coat on top of it. So pretty much anything that you can do the paint, you can do the wheel. You can polish it, use a clay bar or a clay mitt. It takes a little time sometimes, you know. This is brake dust that has been burnt on. It's not gonna come off in just one wash. I'm gonna have to work at it. We sprayed our iron removal product. We're using that as a lubricant to wash the car. And then we're claying and washing at the same time. She's all prepped. Now time to get her in the bay and take a look at the paint. Looks a lot different under these lights. We're doing a 2-step correction, which means we're gonna go over it one time with a correction compound, get rid of some of the bigger defects, about 50 to 80% of them, depending on how the paint takes paint correction. So most of these swirls, most of these watermarks, they're all gonna be removed. Some bigger stuff, so we saw on the wash on the other side is a bigger scratch that unfortunately it's through the paint. It's even dented. Not much we can do about that one, but everything else we're gonna make look shiny. Oscar says easy, no problem. Cut it, polish it, make it shine, coat it. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna let them finish compounding. I'm gonna jump on the wheels, touch them up a little bit, and then get them ready for coating. Done?
Yeah,
Ready for polish?
easy, I told you. Next step, polish. But the question is, why this side looking better?
Why does this side look better?
No. No.
All right, the compounding part of the job can be a little bit dusty, but they're done with that. They're on to polishing. So now I can clean the windshield, get the wheels ready. By the time I probably get done, they'll be done polishing and we can coat the car. See all that stuff? That didn't come off with just glass cleaning, so I want to polish everything and get that nice and clean. What time is it?
11:15.
We can bring it in there if you want to coat it. I can do the convertible top and the glass in there. All right, time for coating. We'll do the first layer. We're actually gonna do 2 layers, CSL, and then we'll put EXO on top. We'll do EXO, tire, dressing, tailpipes after lunch. We'll be done.
We are back from lunch. It's time to apply EXO.
All right, let's see what this baby looks like outside. I think the customer's gonna be happy. The shine is there, the gloss is there. Very nice. All right, my friends, thanks for watching another video. This was a quick, we got 3 guys on it, but we were able to get this done in about 9 man-hours, so we can do this in one day. If you need your car done, go in the description below, check out Chicago Auto Pros, give us a call, and get your car in.